Hi and welcome to this first in a series of 2-minute quick hit hints and tips for Invenias Executive Search Software users. So if you've used the Invenias software, here's a quick way of getting to use it faster and some in-depth hints and tips. We're starting quite simple with the first one and then progressively getting more in-depth as we go through the series. With this first one, let's show you a real quick one that not a lot of people know, but it's actually very simple and speeds up your day-to-day working life. So I have Invenias switched on inside Outlook at the moment. You can see the Invenias menu right here at the top. If I want to get a list of people, companies or assignments, I'd normally use this drop down here. Select the drop down, go to Open People List, and then select the view that I want. However, if you just double click on that or single click on that icon, you'll find that you get a list open up straight away. So your people view is open up straight away. So a real quick way of doing things, it takes about 3 clicks out of the action, but the minimum amount of click, the more clicks we can reduce, the faster it goes. But let's show you an easier way of getting a workflow going faster and making a working day a little bit easier to go through. So we're going to start by responding to an email. We're going to call back that person and then set an alert so we can check that we've done a satisfactory follow-up in the days to come. But we'll do it in a very quick way that allows you to move on to the next one very, very quickly. So let's see, we've got Joe here on my left-hand side. When you select people in your inbox, you know that the information pane here changes to them. So I'll select Joe now, and we can see his telephone number to call. If you've got click to dial or set up, you can just click on that. It will then connect you up to him. You have a discussion with him. He says he wants to go ahead with the assignment. You have a discussion with him. But what you want to do is to click on this telephone icon here so that while you're talking to him, you can say, we can put in the subject, which is call Joe, and then as we're speaking, we can put in the details that I call the important things. Maybe he's got another job coming up that you can make a note of here. Now, that's all well and good, and we'll say, thanks, Joe, bye now, and we'll follow up with you in 3 days' time. So to make sure we do that follow-up, in this vertical menu here, click on appointment. I'll just open this up so you can see it. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do a call back in 3 days' time, Thursday the 9th. I'm going to make it in the morning. Say 10:30 in the morning. I'm going to put a subject in there, which is call Joe, and it's a follow-up, so I'll put in follow-up, and then we can close that down, and then save that, OK that now, and then that's getting saved. So when I go into my Outlook now, I'll click on open up my Outlook screen. We can see there's call Joe. It's right on my Thursday at 9 at 10:30. But when I click on Joe, in the information pane, we can see all the details about it, the journal item of what reason we're calling him, and his telephone number to call. So there you go. Very quick way of taking from an email, someone's asked you to call them back, and you've set it, done the action, you've set it up in your diary so that when you call them back, it's there. But the workflow is nice and fast and gets you through it very, very quickly. To find out more about training for Invenias Executive Search, take a look at our website, www.searchextraining.com, or send us an email, info@searchextraining.com, and we can describe the training consultancy that we have and some of the training solutions that might be helpful for new starters or advanced starters for Q&A workshops, or just a complete range of all the various training modules that we do across the whole of the Invenias board.